Let's tie this all together. We can see that we have our PV panels up on top of our room, and they're actually creating our DC voltage. It's a 24-volt system. It's a series parallel system that's fed into a junction box. We tie all those wires together and we send it on down to the charger controller. Charger controller is going to monitor our current and our voltage levels, and it's going to adjust those voltage and current levels to ensure peak performance. That in turn will send the current on down to inverter. The inverter will change the DC incoming voltage to AC voltage. The inverter then will send the power over to our AC circuit breaker panel, which at that point will be available to our various devices inside our house. We also can see that there's a shunt and a meter where we'll actually be tapping off some of our power and selling it back to the electrical company. Now we've selected 18 high-efficiency panels for our base model. We've done the research to ensure that we have selected the highest quality panel that's going to give you max performance in comparison to the amount of money spent on the panels. 75% of the year, our production is greater than the actual consumption household demand for energy. So that means we're going to be making some money on those months where we don't need as much energy, and on the months that we do need to buy energy, it's going to be minimal. If you buy a Nova Energy System solar system, we're committed to bringing you the best customer support ever. You're not just a customer, but you're part of the family. We got 24-hour support. We have online support, immediate servicing of all our solar components by highly skilled technicians. All components are of the best quality with exceptional warranties. PV panels are warranted for 25 years and inverters are warranted for 12 years. One thing I like to think that sets us apart is that we're willing to tailor our system to meet your needs. Today's financial markets, we realize that people don't have as much money as they used to. So we like to think that let the customer decide how much they want to spend on a system, and then we'll tailor it from there. So let's look at how we can do that for you. So here you can see on our GUI, we have the ability to change the number of panels, and we can actually calculate how much energy is being produced, which is shown by the blue line, and the green line shows the daily or the monthly energy requirements. On the right-hand side, you can see that we have our actual cost. The blue line shows the cost with solar panels. The green line shows you how much you would be spending if you didn't have solar panels. So a pretty remarkable cost savings there. So let's look and see if we wanted to increase our efficiency of our panels, and if we wanted to change the number of panels that we have. Now you can see we're making much more energy, and when you look at our cost savings, you notice that for the most part we're not spending any money, we're actually making money, and there are a few months during the summertime where we actually have to pay like $20, $30, which is pretty minimum cost for electricity here in Arizona. Now, if you decided you wanted to go a little bit less, maybe less efficiency on the panels, which would be a lower cost for the panels, a lower number of panels, while granted we don't make as much power, there's a cost savings to you. Especially look over here. I mean, you could be spending $140 during the summertime, or you can spend $85, right? So regardless of how you want to set up your system, Nova Energy Systems can tailor that system for you.